Grab your metal detector, take it to the coast. You will find some treasure underneath the stones.
Right, we're out digging. It's nice and mild. It's finally stopped raining. It's very muddy. And my first find is a buckle. Well, I found that. It says something treated, 1969. A button and a bag full of scrap. The fields are dead swampy, but we're going to go on some other fields now. So, see what we can find. Started a musket ball, first hole. Just had the cruelest find. It was shiny like that in the hole. And it's just a button. Here's the big guppy.
Just goes back into Toulouse. And every now and then we'll go to Hamburg as well.
Someone's been clay pigeon shooting here. There's loads of them.
Clay pigeon?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right, we're on our way home and we're at the other side of the river, Mersey. We live on the other side. So we thought we'd just stop off on the way home. There's Leaso Castle, I think they call it. And a lighthouse, and there's a war museum in there. There used to be a big tower here, like a Eiffel Tower or Blackpool Tower, years ago. There's the ferry terminal way over there. We're going to go through the tunnel to get back over the other side. So I didn't find any coins, but never mind. I'll show you what I did find. We're going through the Mersey tunnel. Get out of the way.
I'm a VIP, just lets me through. Look, I don't have to pay nothing. You ready? See? No money involved.
Look at all the traffic from the football match that's just got out. Filming is going into the tunnel.
It's a big one.
Oh, traffic in the tunnel.
And if you break down in here, it's £120 to get pulled out, fee.
So
It is, just to start with.
well, I'm not paying it.
I'll just leave the van and walk. Kingsway Tunnel.
Here we go. It's getting dark in here. We're going under the River Mersey now. Woohoo! Right, had a nice day out. It was nice for it not to be raining for a change. I didn't find anything too spectacular. That's my scrapite. Shotgun, some shell, shrapnel off a bomb, loads of that lead stuff again. God knows what they did with that. You find it everywhere. That's got Bowthorpe treated 1959. Some sort of big ring, a musket ball, a horse buckle, a button with a little flower on it. I think it is a flower. I won't focus. Some more buttons. A whistle. And it still had the little thing in it. Inside the thing. I think that's a keyhole. It's a bit bent up. It's got some kind of pick markings on it. But looking at, I think it's a keyhole cover. So that's it. So, hope everybody found something they found was a good find. Not like me, but never mind. There's always next time, and it was great to be out. and it's better to be out than being stuck indoors. So, good luck, happy hunting everybody. Best wishes to everyone who watches. So, that's me. Bye for now. Bye.